Hey there! Today we are going to show you how to bake one
One
of
of
the
the most
most delicious
delicious.
homemade sugar-free pound cakes. Stay tuned for the details. Hey,
Hey, I'm Donna.
and I'm Monica, and today we are preparing a sugar-free pound cake in 8 simple steps. Step 1: gather all your needed items.
And that is 3 cups of
All
flour,
purpose,
all purpose, 1 teaspoon of baking soda,
1 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 cups of Splenda, 1 cup of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, 6 eggs, room temperature, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, medium mixing bowl, large mixing bowl, a whisk or shifter, non-stick loaf pan or bundt pan, hand mixer, which is optional, and a mixing spoon.
Now, those room temperature items, have it maybe sitting in your kitchen for like a good 4 hours before you start actually making the cake. Step 2: prepare your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit and thoroughly prepare your pan to ensure it is non-stick. So those pans that you get, they should be non-stick. Step 3:
Using your mixing bowl, combine the 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt by whisking and shifting them together. Then set this mixture aside.
Step 4: using your large mixing bowl, cream your 1 cup of unsalted butter at
Medium
medium
speed.
speed for 5 to 6 minutes until it becomes smooth and light in color. Next, incorporate your 2.5 cups of Splenda or your preferred sweetener and continue to beat the mixture until it is well combined. Once the butter and sweetener are thoroughly mixed, add in your 6 eggs, one at a time, ensuring each egg is fully incorporated before adding the next. So make sure it's fully beaten into the mixture before adding the next egg. So add the eggs one by one. Step 5: gradually mix in half of the dry ingredients from the medium bowl into the large bowl containing the butter, sweetener, and eggs, mixing for 1 to 2 minutes.
Then add the remaining dry ingredients from your medium bowl and mix again for another 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay, step
Step
6:
6:
add your cup of sour cream, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and teaspoon of almond extract into the large bowl containing
containing
your
your ingredients
ingredients.
and mix until all components of the cake recipe are well blended. Step 7: bake the mixture for 75 to 90 minutes. As the cake approaches the 75-minute mark or appears lightly brown, check for doneness by inserting a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. If it does not, continue testing every 5 minutes until it does. Baking time may vary
Based on your oven's performance.
and the type of pan used.
Step 8: once baked, allow the cake to cool in the pan for 10 to 20 minutes before inverting it onto a cooling rack where it should rest for an hour prior to serving.
And that's it. Try this recipe and tell us
What
what
you
you
think.
think in the comments. And we will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye bye now.
Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.